So here's the thing, Huawei might not be operating in the global market like other companies right now, and yeah, we all know why. But when it comes to the foldable smartphone market, which is growing faster than ever, Huawei is clearly leading the pack. Now, I honestly thought Huawei's recent success was mostly because of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro smartphone, but it turns out I was wrong. Alongside the Huawei Mate 60 series, Huawei also launched the Huawei Mate X5, a foldable smartphone, and here is the interesting part. The Huawei Mate X5 is actually the device that's brought in the most profits for Huawei as a brand. And this isn't just speculation. Huawei's director Ping Bu recently shared this during a talk with some new employees. Well, he explained that last year everyone called the Huawei Mate 60 a proud phone, but it was not this phone that generated the most profits, but our Huawei Mate X5 and the Mate X3 smartphones. He further told that the Huawei's trifold proves Huawei's leading position in the folding field. I think this phone will be hit. Well, he was talking about the Huawei's triple folding phone, but he said that a hit doesn't necessarily mean that it will sell like 10 million units because the market demand is limited. However, the Huawei Mate 60 series is one of the most popular lineups, but when it comes to the profit, it's the Mate X5 that has contributed to a great extent in 2024. That is why Huawei is putting more focus on the foldable smartphones, and it's clear why. They found real success here. While other companies are still thinking about launching their first ever triple folding phone, Huawei has already started working on the next generation of the triple folding devices. What's even more exciting is that Huawei plans to introduce a brand new chipset with this upcoming phone. They are doing this not to only stay ahead of the competition but also to maintain their leadership in the folding market. And honestly, if Huawei doesn't achieve the same level of success in other segments, I feel like the folding smartphone market will always remain Huawei's territory. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.